Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about my top 10 highlighters that are available in India and are suitable for all Indian skin tones. As always, I'll be talking about 5 high-end and 5 drugstore highlighters, and I will be showing you their swatches as well. In today's video I'm not going to talk about any of my liquid or cream highlighters or highlighter palettes, because if I did it will be a long video. I'm going to talk about just 10 of my powder highlights that are single highlights, and I absolutely love and swear by each and every highlighter that I'm going to talk about. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them for you guys. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with today's video. Now, before talking about the highlighters, I'm going to talk to you about my favorite brushes that I use to apply the highlighters. So basically there are two types of brushes that you can use to apply highlighters. One is this. It's a fan brush. This is more suitable for when you want a very light and a very subtle application. You don't want a very intense or in your face kind of an application. This is the brush that you should use for a more natural or a daily wear kind of highlighter application. And the other one is this. This is a more tapered and a more dense brush. This is perfect if you want a more intense or a glam highlighter look. So this is the brush that you should use for a more fuller application, I would say. Now, getting into the highlighters, I'm going to talk about my drugstore highlighters first. And the first highlighter I'm going to talk about is my e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder, and I have it in the shade Sunset Glow. It comes in a beautiful black, all black packaging, and it has a really nice full-size mirror to it as well. Now, this is a beautiful golden toned highlighter. It is perfect for all Indian skin tones. The powder on this is really nice and very soft. Just rub your finger in it and you'll feel like you're rubbing your finger in butter. The shade on this is really nice and more of a golden, champagne golden highlighter. Now, this is not a super intense or in your face kind of a highlighter. It looks really nice and very natural, and you can use it on an everyday basis as well. It will not look artificial. It will not look like a stripe on your face. It will blend into your skin so beautifully. Now, this highlighter retails for 800 rupees, and you can get e.l.f. in India only and only on Nykaa. And I highly recommend for you guys to check it out if you want a highlighter that you can use on an everyday basis as well. You can definitely build it up for a more intense look, but I personally like it for more of an everyday kind of an application. Next up, I have my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and this one is more of a beautiful golden with a tad bit of a champagne tone to it. Now, the packaging on this is really nice and sturdy, black and transparent. It does not come with a mirror. The powder on this also is very soft. It does not feel chalky or chunky at all. And this is what the highlighter looks like. Now, this is, as you can see, it is a more golden toned highlighter than the e.l.f. one, but this will suit all skin tones. Even for deeper skin tones, it will look absolutely phenomenal. You can use it for a more glam look, and you can also use it for an everyday basis. Just apply very lightly with a fan brush, or just apply it very sparsely, and it will look absolutely stunning. It just blends into the skin so beautifully, and it is also one of my absolute favorite highlighters at the drugstore. It's quite affordable as well. This one retails for 550 rupees, and Maybelline is the most accessible brand in India. You can get it on Nykaa, Amazon, Myntra, on your local drugstores, just anywhere and everywhere, and you can get your hands on this highlighter, and I absolutely love this highlighter. Now, next up, I have my L'Oreal Paris Le Bar highlighter in the shade Be Brave. This is what the packaging looks like. It's beautiful glossy black square kind of a packaging, and it comes with this brush and a full-size mirror as well. And this again is a more golden, but less golden than the Maybelline Master Chrome one, but it is a beautiful powder. Now, again, this is more of a subtle highlighter. You can use it on an everyday basis. It will look absolutely stunning. The powder is really soft and very creamy, and it just glides onto your face. This is what the highlighter looks like, and this is one of my absolute favorite highlighters for an everyday basis. You can definitely build it up or tone it down, and it will look absolutely stunning on each and every Indian skin tone. Now this highlighter retails for 750 rupees, and again L'Oreal is just like Maybelline, one of the most accessible brands in India. You get it on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, on your local drugstores, just anywhere and everywhere. And trust me guys, this one is 100% worth its price. Next up for the drugstore highlighters, I have my Milani Afterglow highlighter in the shade number 01. Now this is what the packaging looks like. It is a beautiful golden and transparent packaging, and it does not come with a mirror. The powder is such a beautiful creamy buttery powder, and it has this beautiful pattern engraved in it. The shade on this is a really nice pinky champagne golden kind of a highlighter. This one I would say is more suitable for light to medium skin tones. For deeper skin tones you do get some other shades in this highlighter, but you can see it is more of a very beautiful everyday and a very natural kind of a highlighter. It is not a super intense or in your face kind of a highlighter. If you're going for more of a no makeup look or a very light makeup look, this is the perfect highlighter for you guys. It just blends into your skin so beautifully, and you do not even feel like you've applied any powder on the face. It just makes you look like you're glowing from within, and I absolutely love this highlighter. Now this highlighter comes in a travel size and a full size. The travel size retails for 700 rupees and the full size retails for 1370 rupees, and you do get some really good discounts on these highlighters occasionally. You can find it on Nykaa and on Myntra if you can get your hands on this on a discount, and even for the full price I would just say that it is fully worth its price tag. Now lastly from the drugstore, I'm going to talk about none other than my K Beauty by Katrina illuminating highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. Now you have seen the packaging on this. It's a really beautiful white bottom and a metallic top. It comes with a full size mirror, and it is a super sleek packaging. Now it comes in a cardboard box like this with some foam packaging in it, and it is really easy to store and perfect to be carried around for any travel or anything like that. Now the shade on this is a beautiful champagne golden shade. Again, the powder on this is really soft and buttery. It's a beautiful intense highlighter. You can see it has that really nice glow to it, and it just looks really natural on the face. It does not look like a stripe on the face. It blends into your skin so beautifully. It looks really beautiful for an everyday basis, and you can definitely switch up the application for a more intense application. This highlighter retails for 799 rupees, and K Beauty is just available on Nykaa and Nykaa's Lux stores in India. If there was just one highlighter that I would suggest out of the 5 that I mentioned, it would be this one, the K Beauty by Katrina. This is one of my absolute favorite highlighters, and trust me, you will not regret buying this powder. It is a stunning highlighter. Now coming on to my high-end highlighters, I'm going to talk about some beautiful cult classic highlighters, and all of these highlighters are just phenomenal. The first highlighter I'm going to talk about is, if you guys watch YouTube, you must have heard each and every YouTuber just rave about this product. This is Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed in the shade Opal. It has this beautiful rubbery kind of a black packaging with a nice metallic top. It comes with a full-sized mirror. This is, I think, one of the first high-end highlighters that I ever bought, and I absolutely fell in love with this. When Becca launched in India, this one was sold out everywhere, and I had registered my phone number with Sephora to call me whenever this comes back in stock, and I literally had my friend run to Sephora to just pick it up as soon as I got the call. Now it is a beautiful champagne golden highlighter. It is one shade that is universally flattering for all skin tones, all undertones, and it will look absolutely stunning on each and every one. It is a beautiful, very creamy and a very soft powder. This one I would say is a more intense highlighter. You can see it has a beautiful sheen to it whenever you just turn your face, or whenever the light hits your face. It is a stunning stunning highlighter. And Becca, as I said in my top 10 high-end lipsticks video and my top 10 bronzers video, is closing down their brand in September of this year. So if you can get your hands on this highlighter before that, I would highly suggest for you guys to check it out. Now this again comes in a mini size and a full size. The mini one retails for 1500 rupees and the full size retails for 2900 rupees. And if you guys do not want to splurge a lot, I would highly suggest for you guys to check out its mini size, because a mini also would last you a really good amount of time. Becca is available on Nykaa as well as Sephora in India, and trust me, you will not regret splurging on this product. Next up, again, one of my absolute favorite highlighters. You have seen me use this on my channel a lot of times before. I have broken it, I have shattered it into pieces and repressed it more than 2 to 3 times. This is how much I love this highlighter. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. Again, if you watch YouTube, you must have heard each and every YouTuber in India and internationally just rave about this product. This is the first high-end highlighter that I bought, and I absolutely loved this highlighter. Now it is a baked formula. It can feel a bit powdery when you rub your fingers in this. Mine is broken and repressed many times, so it is powdery right now, but its application is just flawless. It looks just like your skin, just like you've been out in the sun and you've been glowing from within. This is the highlighter that I'm wearing on my face right now. I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, just a tinted moisturizer and a bit of concealer and a liquid blush, and even on top of a liquid or a cream base, it will look absolutely stunning. It looks super natural, and this is what the swatch looks like. You can apply it with a fan brush like I did today, and it will look absolutely beautiful and give you a very natural kind of a sheen. And you can also build it up and use it with a more tapered brush like this for a more intense application. And trust me guys, you will not regret buying this powder. It is one of my absolute favorite highlighters, and if there was one highlighter from the high end that you would want to buy, I would definitely suggest for you guys to check this out. Now MAC again is quite accessible in India. You get it on Nykaa, on Myntra, on MAC stores, and I believe they have also launched on Sephora. This one retails for 3100 rupees, and trust me guys, this is worth every penny that you spend on this highlighter. Next up, again, the cult classic. This is the Balm's Mary Luminizer. It comes in a beautiful silver and a very quirky kind of a packaging, and again comes with a full-sized mirror to it. Now this again is a beautiful light champagne golden highlighter, and the powder is just super creamy. This is what the swatch looks like. Now again, this is a more muted highlighter. It will look really nice and natural when applied sparsely, or when you diffuse it out with a fan brush, but you can definitely build it up for a more intense look and you will love it. Now this again comes in 2 sizes. The mini size retails for 1150 rupees and the full size retails for 2250 rupees. And again, if you do not want to splurge too much, go in for the mini size and you will absolutely love this product. The balm in India is available just on Nykaa for now, and I highly suggest for you guys to check it out. Next up, I have from Ofra. It is their highlighter in the shade Glow Goals. Now this was a highlighter that was made in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. If you are a YouTube follower and you follow a lot of makeup videos, you must have heard somebody or other talk about Nikki Tutorials. She is a highlighter goddess. All her makeup is on fleek and she just glows to the heavens. This is a beautiful champagne golden kind of a highlighter, and the formula on this is just like butter. Now it is a super intense highlighter. You can see it has more sheen, I think, than any of the other highlighters that I've swatched on my arm till now. It is a super intense highlighter, and you can definitely use for a more glam, festive or you know, a very special occasion wear kind of a highlighter. Now I have it in the older packaging, which was a black and a transparent one, but now it comes in a nice white square packaging with a nice full-sized mirror. Now Ofra again is available on Nykaa and Myntra, and this one retails for 2,800 rupees. If you are a fan of really intense and in your face kind of a highlighter, this is the one for you. You will not regret buying this highlighter. And last for the high-end highlighters and last for this video, I'm going to talk about my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact in the shade Pink Quartz. Now this is what it looks like. It comes in a really beautiful square packaging, all black, and with a really nice full-size mirror to it. Now it has stripes of different colors in it. You can use one color as per your liking, or you can just swirl around and use all the colors together. I personally like to just swirl around my brush in this highlighter and just use all the colors together. This one is more of a pink toned highlighter. I will show you the swatch. If you rub your fingers in it, it will feel a little bit powdery, but it does not look powdery on the face at all. It just looks like a nice champagne gold with a hint of pink in it. You can use it for a more natural look, or you can use it for a more intense look, as per your preferences and as per your whatever occasion you're applying it for. You will definitely love this highlighter. Now this also comes in a mini size and a full size. The mini one retails for 2,200 rupees and the full size retails for 4,000 rupees. This again is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Sephora, on the Bobbi Brown stores, and it is a beautiful highlighter, and you will absolutely love having this in your collection. And well, that is it guys. These are my top 10 highlighters that are available in India and are suitable for all Indian skin tones. All the highlighters that I've talked about are my top 10 highlighters, and I absolutely love each and every one of them equally. Let me know in the comments below which is the highlighter that you loved the most, and if you have any of these in your collection already, or if you're planning to buy any one of these, do let me know in the comments below which one are you guys going to pick up. And do let me know in the comments below which other top 10 videos you would like to see from me. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.